Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will use this circle background and make card tutorial. First I cut white card base, white background, and will use this beautiful tag. First step, lay a circle background and the card base. That is, I use a background as a normal background. The circle pattern seems very beautiful. Second step, we put tag onto the card. Okay, a fast but very nice boost card is ready. Easy to do but turned out stunning. Now I will use this flower die to make a new card. White card base, deep red background. The circle pattern is elegant design. And also I cut a white background. It is also very beautiful in white. And the same color deep red flowers, white color flower deep seal, green leaves. First, cut the red background into two parts. The idea for this card is to make ground into two colors and into two parts. In this way, the background seems very different. Then I decorate the card with flowers and leaves. Again, I use this birthday stamp. This stamp has tag die cut to match it. Small sentiments for small tag, big sentiment for big tag. I want to try with this golden tag. It seems very nice. Okay, let's make flowers. I scrap the flower to make the arc and the flower pistil. Okay, let's remove all the small parts and stick the background together. The half by half background seems very different, right? Okay, let's combine the decoration parts again. Make cards is experience of trying and checking and improving. Maybe it is the fun of the crafting. First, I confirm the location of this tag, so I stick it. Then I stick the biggest flower and this small flower. And try the leaves and check which solution is better. I want to use these beads to decorate flowers and the white background. Okay, the card is ready. It's very beautiful. I love it. It is today's 2 cards and the tutorial. I hope you love. Thank you. Bye bye.